Thread Lipstick. So today I'm very excited because I'm going to be showing you my most recent e.l.f. haul. So I bought a ton of stuff when they were having one of those sales that were, if you spend $30, everything is 50% off. So very exciting time because I have not shopped on e.l.f. in years. I tend to just buy the stuff that's in store, like their eyebrow products, but I haven't checked out anything on their website in a really long time. So they have a lot of really great stuff, and I picked up a lot of it, so let's dive in. So I picked up a bunch of eyeshadow palettes. The first one is the Rose Gold Sunset eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. Really excited to try this out. I've heard really great things about their eyeshadows lately, so I'm just going to swatch a few of these to see what the quality is like. Oh, they feel really buttery. Okay, the brown there is not so great, this brown, but these were beautiful. The metallic ones, gorgeous. Let's see a different matte one, how that works. That one's better. I swatched a nice lighter matte one. These feel really promising, so I'm excited about this. I also got their Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette, which I think you guys have probably seen a bunch of times. Mad for Matte shadow palette looks like this. Looks a lot like the Naked palette. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a few of these as well. Oh yeah, those swatched a lot better. Those mattes, really, really pigmented. Very, very beautiful. Very excited for that. I also got the Opposites Attract eyeshadow palette. Who needs this many eyeshadow palettes? I certainly don't. But they were all such a good deal. I'm really excited for the colors that are in here. This was totally up my alley. I love purples and all of the warm tones. A little bit flaky on these. That matte one especially was a little bit crumbly, but it has really good pigmentation. That looks really good. Very excited for this. And I just bought a lot of their palettes because I was really excited about the fact that they had a lot of different ones now. The last time I shopped on e.l.f., all they had was their little small eyeshadow quads, and I love those so much. So I was really excited to see that they have different options now. So this is the first eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. These don't feel as nice as the other shadows, and they definitely don't swatch as well. That was the clay eyeshadow palette in Saturday Sunsets. This one is the clay eyeshadow palette in Necessary Nudes. This one swatched a lot better than the last one, so this one's pretty promising. Okay, now on to the other things that I got. So I did get one of the Natural Glow face palettes in Fresh and Flawless. Now this is a palette I've heard people rave about, and I've never picked it up, especially this highlighter right here. I've heard people talk about, especially if you have pale skin. It's supposed to be a beautiful one. Yeah, it definitely looks really gorgeous on the skin there. Really nice for pale skin. So I'm really excited about this as well. I got one of the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mists. See how this sprays. Whoa. It's very aggressive. It smells like coconut, which is very nice. So we'll see how that works. Okay, the next product that I got is an Illuminating Primer Mist. This is different than the other one. The other one was a Dewy Setting Mist. This one is a primer mist. Like this. See the sprayer on this one. Yeah, it's a little aggressive, but that's okay. I don't mind. I got another primer. This is the Tone Adjusting Face Primer. So this one is supposed to really help dullness and adjust your face tone if you have any redness or any just uneven complexion. So I'm really excited about trying this because I do have a dull complexion, and also I have a little bit of redness, so I'm going to try this out. I got another primer. This is the Poreless Face Primer. I have purchased this in the past. They're a really small one, the white clear pore minimizing primer. I think it's different than this one, and those are so old in my collection right now that I needed to get a different one, so I figured I would try out the bigger size of this one. Oh my god, it's another primer. So I got the Putty Primer because I wanted to see if this was similar at all to the Tatcha Primer that everyone just raves about. I bought the Tatcha Primer at the Sephora VIB sale, and I'm not impressed by it. So I want to see if this is anything like that. It feels pretty similar in consistency. So we'll see if it's anything like it and if I can return the Tatcha one because I'm not loving it. I also got the Perfect Finish HD powder. This is in clear transparent. Not sure why I got this. I never like HD powders because they do give a white flashback on the face. And I never liked their loose transparent powder either. So I'm not entirely sure why I got this. Maybe just to try it out again. and see how that goes. So this is what that powder looks like, just a typical pressed transparent powder. I also got one of the e.l.f. lip exfoliators in coconut, and I'm really excited about this. I love these exfoliators. They're so good. My lips are so dry right now. Excited to try that. I got the e.l.f. Intense Ink Eyeliner in brown. I'm loving brown eyeliner lately. I just can't pull off black liner, and I'm just not. I don't have a steady hand to be able to do it, but brown always looks okay, so I want to see how this works. It's a very chubby kind of long felt tip, so we'll see if I can do okay with it. I also got the Coffee and Cream Highlighter Duo, and this is what this looks like. I'm going to do some swatches. I accidentally swatched the bronzer twice, so ignore that, but that's what that looks like. Obviously, that's not a, I don't think that's a bronzer. I think that's supposed to be another highlighter for deeper skin tones, so definitely won't be using that. It's too dark for me. Maybe as eyeshadow. I wanted to try out the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette. I love their other brow pencil. It's the fatter, kind of more, well, it's not really fatter. It's fatter than this one. It's less precise, and it's more waxy, and I love it. So I wanted to see if maybe I would love this one. It has a very, very fine tip, like the BH Cosmetics pencil that I love so much. I think I'm gonna love this. I also got one of the matte lip colors in Tea Rose. This is my absolute favorite e.l.f. lip product, and I decluttered my Tea Rose because it was old, so I had to get a new one. This is my very favorite color that they make. It's such a pretty, like, pinky purple. My favorite kind of colors. And then I got one of the tone correcting powders, again, to hopefully combat any dullness or any redness on my face. They've had this product for a really long time in their collection, and I've never tried it, so very excited about that. And that's what that looks like. And the last product that I got is one of the Beautifully Bare Smooth Matte Eyeshadows. This is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Blushing Rose. I thought this would be really good for the times that I'm really running out of the house and going quickly and need to run errands and take my son with me, that I could just pop this on and it would be super, super quick, because I love eyeshadow sticks and things like that for the convenience of it, so I thought this would be really great. Let's just swatch it and see what the color looks like. Oh, that's pretty. It's a really kind of like deep pinky brown. Very pretty. Alright, so those are all the products that I purchased from the e.l.f. sale. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see a full face of e.l.f. products, have me do that. I would love to. Just let me know down in the comments section, or give this video a thumbs up just to let me know. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.